Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Auto channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Super Grok for free. So for some of us that know that Grok has stopped the free usage of free version of Grok AI for image generation and video generation. So I'm going to show you how the latest method you can use to get access to Super Grok for free. So if you know you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload fresh content. Without any further ado, let's go straight. So I'll go to my Play Store and I'll search for Grok AI. So I will install it. So installation is complete. I'll click on open. I'll click on continue with Google. Okay, you can see access to premium intelligence. Try for 3 days. Try free for 3 days. So you can see what it's telling us now. We're going to try Grok for 3 days. So they're going to give us access to 5 longer conversations in chat, 4x AI agents on expert mode, collaborating to get you the best answer, make stunning AI images and videos, up to HD quality 30 seconds video, upload more files for smarter help, lightning fast reply. You can see on a normal it's supposed to cost you about $30, $29.999 per month, but we're going to try it out for free. So click on start 3-day free trial. Now ask us starting today, 3-day free trial, end on 11th. Okay, so let me proceed. So I'll click on subscribe. It's a payment successful, require authentication for purchase. So what actually happened here is that I have my card already integrated into Google Play, so that's why it popped out my card and authorized immediately. But in your own case, if you have not added your card, it will ask you to add your card, and for you to accept your card, it must be a dollar card. So I have a lot of them I use, but I'm going to drop the link to the dollar card I use. You can use Clever, you can use any other dollar card, but I'm using Clever. So I'm going to drop the link to the card I'm using so that you also apply for it and use it. So let's proceed. See, to prevent unauthorized purchase, you can require authentication for all purchases, including in-app purchases. Require authentication for purchases, yes, always. Turn on backup payment method. The backup will be charged if your primary payment method then can be charged. We don't need that, so not telling us. So I think we're through. We don't need to put any backup, so I think we're done. Close this and open it again. So you see what I did there? To come back, get notification. Now let's see if we have Grok user allow. You can see Super Grok.
Wow.
Guys, you can see I have access to Super Grok for what? For 3 days. So guys, what this implies that I can use this Grok for anything. Now let's test something. Now let's say go to Imagine. Okay, let's test this first. Let's say hello. Was today's date. Okay, asking me to confirm my age. Okay, 2000 is okay. Hello, today's date is Wednesday, April the 8th, 2026. So that means it's working. So let's go to imagine. I'll now say generate image of a toddler wearing mafia suit, mafia Italian suit, holding an expensive briefcase. So let's see. Auto generate image, the video, no. You can see, but we're not generating video at the moment. So we'll come back, cancel this. Just click on generate quality. Okay, quality image. So I wanted to change the size of the images. Let's do this. So click on generate. Wow, voila, you can see you can see a mafia, a toddler wearing an Italian suit. You can see. Now let's animate it, make a video. So you can see we're downloading it now. The download has started. You can see you can extend. Wow, you can see Grok has added a lot of features in this super Grok. One of the features I'm seeing right now is upscale extend. Now you can, what this extend means is that maybe you have a dialogue, you have a script, or you want all your videos to just be in one. You can see extend from 6 seconds to 12 seconds. So you now put extend video, you now put what you want again. You understand? Type what you want to extend this video to and all that. Before you know, it will extend to 30 seconds, 1 minute and thereabout. So that is it for this video, guys. Okay, before I wrap it up, let me show you one thing. If you know you don't have money to renew, all you simply need to do, go back to Play Store, and cancel your subscription. I'll click on this. I will go back to payment and subscriptions. You can see I have one subscription I canceled recently. You see Grok AI chat video, Grok. Your plan includes. So what this means is that if I don't cancel this before 11th, by this time 11th of April, I will be charged $29.99. So since I don't have enough funds in that account, I'm going to cancel my subscription and I will still use it to that 11th. So I just click on it. You can see primary payment method is this. backup payment method none. What this means is that if you don't have money on your primary, they can debit your backup. So all I need to do, I click on cancel subscription, select reason. I found cost related reasons. Yes, it's expensive, I can't afford it now. Keep subscription, cancel subscription. So I'm going to cancel subscription. You see, subscription will be cancelled. Your subscription will end on April. Say primary method, so cancelled. You see, subscription will end on this, so it has been cancelled. And now I say resubscribe. So if I want to resubscribe on this, I can click on resubscribe, but I don't want to resubscribe at the moment. So let's look at it. You can see cancel. So what this means is that they will not charge me after the expiring date of the free 3 days that I'm giving. So that is it for this video, guys. This video is just for those that want to do Grok video and they don't have enough funds to buy the subscription at the moment, so they can try that 3 days to create as much as valuable content they want to use. This is just for an educational purpose. It's not a financial advice, so please ensure to do your due diligence before you proceed. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.